Hi my blessed people on this app. For this tutorial, very simple and straightforward. In this tutorial, I will guide on a step by step how to do it. If something that you are interested in, follow me or subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button. Guys, what you want for know is that una commenting very relevant for me. With una comment, it will help me this algorithm push the video to more interested viewers then. So yeah, if you even not get nothing for comment, just comment thank you. Add the video to your favorite and share to 5. So now let's dive into the video. For do this, let's look for TikTok. Click on that, click new projects. First thing, if you shoot 2 video, they will say the empty chair there, which is the first layer. As you see, the second one they shoot, you go sit on the chair and do the action. So let me select the video, and now after you don't select the video, you try for fitting, then fit match with the one with the under. You click the one we just add, which is under the layer. You look for and the max. You click horizontal max. Scroll down. This thing it use with the 2 finger, but you can forget patient. Now here it is. You click that new keyframe. Now the magic you click on. You need to try for fitting the hand and all to all. So this the way they see we then call the keyframe. If we're able work with her, but they use the 2 fingers and for drag that line where they see. So it introduce keyframe, you close on, introduce keyframe, you close on, then you go to perform the action. So you complete like this one. So make us see now the video what we just done do together. Okay, watch the video for yourself and see. Okay, now so you see exactly that's all. I bet you can do it more than. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now I bet you can do it. If you are not following or subscribed to Firdaus Tech, you might miss out seeing this channel or page again. But if you are, congrats, you are on a journey continue of growth. See you in the next one. Thank you.